cameras, and it is going to impede your vision a tad, so do make sure you're planning some extra time today. However, it's in Fall River and Somerset that you're going to run into some tricky travel right now. So as you're traveling over the Braga Bridge, heading westbound from Fall River, right at that Fall River Somerset line, that's where you're going to see some brake lights install. So as far as your travels go from there, it's just a 5-mile stretch basically to 6, and it's taking you almost 45 minutes according to our maps. So you're going to want to tack on a lot of extra time, and because of course this is the only way there. It looks like speeds just went into the yellow zone as I was speaking, so maybe it's lightened up. I'll give you an update in about 10, guys.
All right, Megan, thank you. All right, all is quiet now on the stage at the Arch Center for the Performing Arts in Miami, but last night it was a different story, right?